Well, we're coming at you from AJ Farms. We're fixing to do a little spying. Mama is on the track hoe. You believe that? Here we go. I'm framing this in as we speak. So this will be the part of our living quarters. And see our little cabinets? They're fixing to have the bottom shelf is going to be the top shelf. The drain board is going to be like the bottom shelf. We'll put some kind of polyurethane on it to protect it. But look, there's Mama. She don't know that we're filming her. She said, I told her I was going to do it. She said, don't you do that. She's camera shy. Oh, she's going to catch me if I ain't careful. Oh, she caught me. Did y'all see her peek over her shoulder? I'm proud of my little wife. I just hope she don't burn up our hydraulic lines sticking them in that fire. We're gonna go make her nervous. She's trying, ain't she? Look at her. Who knows, she's liable to run me out of a job and be the little operator of the family. Her and Jody. Don't burn them hydraulic lines. That's good. So hi, Mama. Ain't she a pretty little operator? She makes pretty babies too. This is a shout out to Mr. Sam Seifers. He said he wanted to see where's the wife? Well, here's the wife. She's learning. This is our first time on this machine. Hey, spin around. Spin your track toe around. Put your blade in front. Well, I know, but it'll protect you. It'll keep you from getting too close to the fire. Oh, she can't hear me. She says I'm a micromanager. I am. Don't y'all know I know more than everybody, don't you know that? No, I'm just kidding. God takes care of me. I'm kind of ignorant, you know? She's so careful. Her daddy was an operator. Must be in her blood. You can smile. Look at her tearing the ground up. Hey, you know that you can run sideways? So you don't do all that turning. You can run sideways and turn your machine and pull those Do those arms right there. Those joysticks. I love you, girl. This is going on YouTube. Anyhow, get sideways with your fire and you won't have to travel so much, is what I'm trying to say. She's learning. Ain't God good? He gave me that little woman right there. You single people, you need to pray on it. Ask God to bless you with a good wife. Go to church to find you a wife. Don't go out to them honky tonks and them coffee houses. That ain't where you find a wife. You go to church. Or in my case, across the street. She moved in across the street when I was about 20 years old, 21 years old. I married her when I was 22. She was 20. Yeah, she was a young little old thing when I married her. Been married 20 years now. It was 20 years in October. Anyways, y'all have a blessed day. Just want to show you my little wife working the track hoe, learning. Lord willing, she won't have an accident today. And I got to go back to work. Bye.